Mihango ya kamiti ya bunge igikigina kungania mawoni ma muingi megie mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka ukite ni ingirire thiku ya gatano muthi kuria ithikiriirie mawoni kuma ikundi itiganite ta Kiama kia Endia maguta, Kiama kia atwarithia ndege na Kiama kia ene manyumba hamwe na ingi. Kiama kia Endia maguta bururi-ini mathingatire kamiti no guteaniria riendekithia ria kwongerera igoti ria VAT ya maguta nginya gicunji kia 16 harĩ igana. Makiuga undu uyu ungimacungiriria igukuithia Kenya murigo wa thogora wa iguru wa maguta undu uria kaingi ucungagiriria ngarama ya iguru ya indo itiganite.
If you tax petroleum or increase the tax on petroleum, the impact that has even on food is resounding. So you cannot compare the incremental impact of price on fuel with the incremental impact of price of other commodities, because fuel is so central.
The only problem I see is it has been brought in too fast. Citizens have not been given time to have a look at it, give opinions, and then from there proper decision could be made, especially on the 3% charge on housing. Different people have different opinions. For example, if you are working near your home, you are coming from home, you don't need a house in town. So does it benefit you?
Iguru rio kiama giki kiugite undu uyu ungicungiriria kwambatira gwa thogora wa indo iria ciumanaga na maguta na iria ihuthiragwo ni ngari, makiria kuona nyingi ciacio ithondekagwo na maguta undu uria ungicungiriria kuingira kwa indo ta ici kuma mabururi ma nanja noguo kuraga kambuni cia guku bururi-ini.
Then don't you think that by reducing that then goes against your argument on the other side that we should reduce VAT on fuel, and yet you're telling us the effect of it on the environment, and you're telling us we need to be environmental friendly.
So it's important for an understanding that VAT exempt and zero rate are two different things, and the best solution is to have zero rate of LPG, so that then the whole value chain can enjoy the zero rate and pass it on to the consumer, which means that the consumer will continue to enjoy LPG at a lower cost.
Nao ene manyumba kuhitukira Kiama kia agents ni mathingatire thirikari kumahuthiria watho wa kuriha magoti muthenya uria mamukira marihi. Guku mathingatite thirikari guthie kahora hari gukinyaniria mutaratara wa waki wa nyumba cia thogora wa thi niguo kumathaitira kumana na gutharara.
If we can reduce the intensity of implementation, because that is what is giving probably the government the headache of trying to get money from the levies, the housing levies, reduce the speed of that implementation and slow it so that the economy can be in a position to absorb.
Girivotara Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.